how to add Google Sheets on Wix.com. So hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can add Google Sheets on Wix.com. So for that, what you need to do, the first thing is that you need to log into Wix.com. And once when you do log in, you can see that you will be redirected here on this home page. And here you can see there are a variety of features that you can use. By the way, this is called a dashboard as well. You can call it homepage or a dashboard. That's completely up to you, but there are many features right here that you can use. So here you can see we can try the apps, the blogs, the sales, the events, the getting paid. A lot of features I can say. You can also see this site and mobile app as well, inbox, customers and leads, marketing, analytics, a plethora of options that you can use. But here, what do we need to do is we need to click on apps and then go here, app market. So it's going to open up right here. So here you can write Google Sheets. And if you come down, you can see right here, Google Sheets table. So we're going to open this up. We can click here, add to site, and agree and add. So we have to wait for some time until it adds the sheet. It incorporates it into our website. You can say that it will be more like a template, but we can add our own data into it. So I guess now it has opened up the website editor. So let's wait for the editor to open up because it's incorporating the Google Sheets right into there. So here you go. It has added Google Sheets. You can just adjust it down and put it somewhere where you can find an empty space and put it there. But this is the Google Sheets. You can edit it. You can edit it. You can edit this Google Sheets by clicking Settings, and from here, when the setting tabs open, you can edit the data and change the values right here and add values from yourself. You can just see Manage Data, and all the data will be managed right here. And you can edit it. You can design it from the scratch, and you can add templates as well if you want. That's completely up to you. I leave the creativity on you. How do you want to do it? It's your call, but this is the main way to do it. It's actually one more important thing, that it's actually a paid app, so you can get 8 days free, but then you have to pay it in order to use it. So that was it. I hope you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this also in the next one.